And a good evening to you. 3 new Kern County residents tested positive for the coronavirus, and now Kern public health officials say the patients are self-isolating and recovering at home. 23 ABC's Tori Cooper attended a press conference held by Public Health earlier today. She's joining us in the live center with details on the patients. Tori?
Yeah, earlier today, Kern public health officials provided additional information surrounding the 3 new Kern County residents that tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, information that they were able to relay to us was very limited, but they did say that all 3 residents are quarantining at home as of now. This marks the first 3 cases of COVID-19 found in Kern County residents.
Late yesterday evening and around midnight this morning, we received notification that 2 Kern County residents tested positive for COVID-19.
Nearly 10 hours after Kern public health officials were made aware of 2 new residents who tested positive for the coronavirus, late afternoon Thursday, officials confirmed a 3rd resident also tested positive.
These residents are recuperating at home.
Officials say the reason they waited to inform the public about the first 2 new cases from overnight was because they had to confirm both people were Kern County residents and make personal contact with them.
And that takes a little bit of time, especially at night.
They say residents have been told not to leave their homes and to self-quarantine while health officials investigate all 3 cases and their path.
To determine if there were, what their potential exposure sources were, and if they themselves have exposed any household or close contacts.
Health officials do not believe the 2 new cases from overnight are connected to the non-resident who tested positive on Wednesday. However, they did not say if the 3rd case is connected to any of the previous reported cases. They would not tell us if these cases are travel related, how old these patients are, or which city they are currently living in within Kern County. But what they did say is that community spread is more likely now in Kern County. The county now has real-time results information on their website. Officials have not issued an emergency shelter-in-place order as of yet. They say they do not have an estimate on how many people they expect may become infected right here in Kern County, but that healthcare professionals locally are prepared to meet this moment.
And we have set aside both medical and health-related supplies for events just like this.
Now, when we asked why they could not tell us where these residents were residing within Kern County, they told us it was because they had to protect patient information. But we are now learning that this is the director's decision at Public Health. Matt Constantine is the gentleman that you just saw speaking. So it is his decision on whether or not to release where these residents who have tested positive for the coronavirus are residing, and they have chosen not to. Now, we are going to continue to press for answers throughout the week as these test results come back. But for now, in studio, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC News, connecting you.